shit. Yeah.
Basically, it looks really crazy in a crosswinds area.
Okay, look at this. Oh my god.
So beautiful! Snowflakes on your mic.
There's just something so beautiful about the first snow of the season. And like I said previously as well, it's been many years. It just hasn't gotten old. It's so romantic, it's not even funny. Just basically very thankful to be in a country as beautiful as Canada.
We have to get breakfast.
It's also Moira's first winter, with us at least. So we'll do a little bit of a winter tire test. Now this is thick snow and we'll do a proper full turn. What's that? And then again. It barely skids, so we're winter ready for sure.
My back is snow in it.
It's a winter wonderland. What? Yeah, what? Thank you for taking my thumbnail, Shreya. Poha for breakfast today. Then of course I've got my coffee going.
People are saying good things about the noodle burger.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
Okay.
The reviews are great. Let's order. We both had a busy-ish day and we're getting takeout and an interesting burger actually. It's called the Noodle Burger.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Can I please get 2 noodle burgers?
For Mississauga location,
For Mississauga, yes. And is there a way you could make it more spicy?
this is like medium spice, very fun.
Okay, that sounds good.
So 2 burgers, one with veggies, one with onion rings, right?
Perfect.
But yeah, noodle burger with a paneer patty, I believe. Veggie or paneer patty. Okay, let's go.
I am coming for you.
Let's go.
Feels like I'm spying on him.
We'll eat this at home,
Yes.
but we can have the veggies and oh, nostalgia. These cookies are pure nostalgia. We used to have these when we were kids. They're called Atta biscuits. Similar to Atta biscuits. And they're great.
How creepy does that back camera view look?
Why?
Because it's like in movies, this kind of a view where you see a car stop and people like get murdered or a ghost just traps itself on the back of your car.
Okay. This, friends, is Shadi Wali coffee. Oh my god. It's not that sweet.
Gimme. So what is Shadi Wali coffee?
Shadi Wali coffee is just... We used to get this coffee at weddings in India. And they would put, special cocoa powder on it. Remember that?
It would just, it's like
It's a machine that would go. Brrrr.
They would call it espresso.
Espresso, exactly.
It's espresso, but it's nothing like an espresso.
Yeah, that's exactly what that is.
It's like a frothy, sweet, milky coffee.
Yeah, let's just say it's less shittier than 5 creams and 8 sugars, which people get, by the way. I've seen that.
I had a colleague.
Yeah, 5 creams and 8 sugars.
Yeah, he'd be like fasting. He'd get a black coffee and then he'd put like 5 creams and 5 sugars or something crazy.
So much for fasting. Anyway. All right, let's try the noodle burger. I'm gonna give you the first bite shot and then we will consume the noodle burger. Kind of looks sloppy, which is good. All right. Oh my god.
Is it any good?
Oh.
You know what that means, right?
Wow.
That I gotta stop recording and eat.
The noodles. The fire.